Hey, do you guys want to talk about sprinter vans? No, you've had enough? Good, because I have too. Look over here. 1968 Airstream. This little gem is coming in for some work. We'll be doing some stuff over the winter. But what I want to show you is how nicely intact this thing still is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay, got some lights going on. Usually when we see an Airstream, it is seeing a long, hard life. This one still has all the bathroom, the rear bath intact, the heater, water heater is still here. All the cabinetry is intact. Nobody has put their grubby paws on this thing, other than maybe this fridge has been changed out. The upholstery, I don't know if this is original or not. You Airstream guys, well, you know, I'm gonna say it is. So what do you guys think? Is this original upholstery, or has this been refinished at some time in its life? It's cool to see a trailer like this still with all the pieces in it. But what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna keep things like this central control still intact. That one's not working, we'll fix that. Water pump is working. Battery condition, oh yeah, we got some movement on there. But we're gonna add a larger battery hidden underneath, fix up some of the electrical, and then our plan is to address the cabinetry that is seeing some fading and some wear. We'll do bright work on this. Things like this guy, holes will be filled, sand and refinish. Doing it right, not destroying stuff. Let's keep this little, this is actually a Globetrotter, single axle trailer, so it's a perfect size for towing behind kind of your modern sport utility vehicles. Glass is intact. It's definitely been loved. We're gonna give it some more love.